During the time that you are building chatbots, you will get to create a lot of flows. In order for you to have a good solid structure, we allow you to create folders where you can put those flows in. This allows you to keep a good overview of all the different kinds of flows. And whenever you need to find a specific flow, it's really easy to do. To create a folder, you can just press the button. From here, you can give it a name. You will then see the folder being created, and you will be able to add new flows towards this folder. So for example, if we take the customer service ask a question flow, we can just press the three dots on the right, and we can move it towards that specific folder, customer service. Just press the button move, and you will see the flow has been removed from the main overview, and you will now see a 1 inside of the customer service folder. If we want to also create a folder for all the back-end tasks like workflows, we can just name a folder, press create, and then we can add any kind of flow that we like to. So since this is a folder for workflows, we can press the add user to sequence flow, press the three dots, move to folder, and select the folder that we like to. Just press the button move, and you will see that the flow has been removed from the main overview. But if we take a look at the folder workflows, you will now see that there is one flow inside. Creating folders is a fantastic way to have a good structure inside your chatbot with a fantastic overview of where you can find each individual flow.